There's a singing baby cow, truly gifted and talented. The farm animals are vibing to him with great pleasure. Its siblings and cows are proud. The monkey is hyping everyone. In the cars comes the colonial foxes. The queen sings like she is impressed by the baby cow and asks His Majesty Fox to stop the car.
Your Majesty, let's keep that cow, he's got a divine voice. Our kingdom needs the cow and its talent.
The queen wants the singing cow. Let's make it sing for the kingdom. So grab and bring him.
The colonial foxes ruthlessly take in the cow.
What? Your Majesty, the cow is still a baby. Please don't do this to her. It needs my care. Absolutely not, considering the words of a freaking monkey.
The monkey is frustrated. And most importantly heartbroken by the sight of the cow's departure from farmland. Meanwhile, the mighty gorilla stops by seeing the monkey's sadness.
What happened, monkey? You don't seem fine. Those colonial dogs stole my precious cow, and it's still a baby. These colonial foxes crossed the limit again. We shouldn't stay mute. Now quickly get on the bike. We are going to the rescue.
The colonial foxes arrived at the kingdom, along with another stolen property. But this time they have stolen the wrong property.
Listen to me carefully, monkey. Our animals in the wild can easily defeat and end this colonial fox's clan. I think you know what to do now.
Just when the colonial foxes are entering the kingdom, the monkey orders the sheep to quickly go behind them and enter the kingdom. The foxes got in the way to stop them.
What?
But the monkey and the truck are unstoppable.
Oh no!
spotted the baby cow and freed him by giving the colonial foxes a hard time.
If you come back again, their majesties will not have had to wear jewelries.
RRR. Reduce, reuse, and recycle the content.